Is this weather making you crave for something hot, delicious, and rich? Don't worry, I have got you covered. Today, I will be sharing an amazing hot chocolate recipe to satisfy all your cravings, and this is really quick and super delicious. Come on, let's get into the making. The very first step of this recipe is to chop some dark chocolate. I am using sugar-free dark chocolate compound, about 50 grams. Now take a saucepan and add about 350 milliliters of milk. Always use full fat milk. To make this more creamy, you can further add fresh cream to this as well. Now cook this on medium flame until the milk is warm. Now take some milk into a bowl. Now mix 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to this and mix until there is no lumps. You can also add cocoa powder directly to the milk, but I feel this is easy to mix rather than mixing the whole milk. Now at this stage you can also add half a tablespoon of cornstarch to make your hot chocolate thick. That is optional. Now bring the milk to a boil. Now add a small cinnamon stick to the mixture. This will give a different depth of taste to the hot chocolate. Add the cocoa powder mixture we made. Now mix this well and let this come to a nice boil. Now add around 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, or as per your preference. Here we have used unsweetened chocolate and cocoa powder. So if you are using sweetened ones, you might have to cut or limit the sugar. Now once this comes to a boil, turn off the flame. Now leave this for a couple of minutes. Now after few minutes, add our chopped dark chocolate. Now mix this until the chocolate completely dissolves. Our yummy, rich, warm, hot chocolate is ready. Top this with some marshmallows or whipped cream and enjoy.
Got a dopamine rush, got a major league crush when you're next to me. Got my heart upon my sleeve, can I hide the way I feel when you're next to me, girl? Got the kick in every move and I fall just like a fool for you, for you.
Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.
Something special, don't know why, something special that